Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I compiled 6 kissing scenes of Go Junpyo and Goom Jandi in Boys Over Flower. Okay, just sit back and enjoy this compilation. Number 1. The Swiss Kissing Scene. The first kissing scene of the series happens at the park. Go Junpyo talks about he likes Goom Jandi's family and about how he would like to be with them every day because he never experienced this type of family life. Then he proceeds to kiss her. Junpyo's mom saw Goom Jandi selling pop rice to help her family from hunger and realized how poor she is, which prompted her to sabotage her son's relationship with her because she wants someone of higher status for him. Even though his mom is there and doesn't condone his relationship, Junpyo finds a way to kiss his beloved away from her eyes. The romantic kissing scene. The third kissing scene happens in an abandoned house situated on a mountain. Go Junpyo previously gave a promise necklace to Goom Jandi, but it was stolen by 3 jealous girls. The weather is dangerous, but it doesn't stop Jandi from going out looking for it. One of the F4 members sees Jandi heading out and informs Go Junpyo about it. Go Junpyo is being held by his bodyguards, but he finds a way to escape them and heads out to search for her. He finds her unconscious near the summit and brings her to a nearby abandoned house. She wakes up and he kisses her. This one happens at the stargazing area. Goom Jandi asks Junpyo how he started liking astronomy, to which he responds with a touching but sad story from his past. Jandi comforts him by saying that she wants to watch a star with his future son. Go Junpyo laughs and tells her sorry for hurting her and tells her he loves her. Number 5. The Oceanside Kissing Scene. The fifth kiss happens on Jeju Island. After so much trouble caused by Go Junpyo's moms, Goom Jandi decided to end the relationship. However, she asked Junpyo's mom for one last date, and so the soon-be-broken-up couple are out for a picnic. They are happy as they walk together near the ocean, but then Goom Jandi confesses their feelings and they kiss for what they think is their last time. Number 6. The failed proposal kissing scene. Number 6 kissing scene, also the last one, happens in the final episode. Junpyo buys coffee for Jandi, then they head the viewing deck. Go Junpyo leads her to the cable car where they had their first date and then asks her to marry him and escape to the United States. Unfortunately for him, she refuses because she has things that she needs to devote herself for her in South Korea. Junpyo tells her that if he loses her, he will regret it until he dies and kisses her for the last time in the series. Thank you guys for watching it. If there's a Korean drama that you would like me to cover, let me know in the comments sections. And for more updates, click the notification bell and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you!